Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. As you can see in the title, this is a very different video for us and not very scientific, but you'll get the idea. This video is about our Freelander when we was at Muddy Weekender 2022 when we wasn't lifted versus when we went back to Muddy Weekender 23 when we was lifted with the MuddyMods 4050 lift kit on the car. Hopefully this video will give you some idea on what the difference the lift kit can make on a Freelander 2.
Why did I put so many trees around her? Oh god, here we go. Rest in peace.
I'm just going to pause the footage there. Listen to the 2022 footage as the car sits on the underside on the protection, the fuel tank guard and the sump guard, and just surfs across this whole part.
And avoid it, avoid it, avoid it, floor it, floor it. Ow, 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 ow. 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 That gets worse every time. And round we go.
And now the same section, but now in 2023 with the lift kit.
Afterwards, because I'm recording.
Oh. Yeah. Thanks for the window clean. Ooh,
Thumpy thump.
Oh, grunchy.
Here we go.
Ready? Away. Oh. Oh, Jesus! That's got quite rutted.
Can we have a smoother ride, please?
As you can see from that, it only really caught towards the end where it got all lumpy bumpy, so let's move on to the next example. A little bit further round the Riverside course and just listen to the ground tapping the underneath of the fuel tank guard as Alana's driving.
Nice under chassis rubber down by the garage. And out we go.
Have we got any error codes come up on the dash yet?
No, not yet.
See, ever faithful. Ever faithful.
I don't think the wheel lifted.
Not particularly that time.
Which I'm a bit disappointed about.
I'm sure you'll suss it.
It's more down to the angle. But...
Right, enough of my terrible voiceovers. I'm going to let the videos do the talking. I'm going to play through several different clips and I'm going to let you make up your own mind on what you think.
Ooh, and down. And scrape the mud out. Yeah. Boom. I hope this GoPro's working.
Oh, nice.
I thought I was going to stall then, I'm not going to lie.
Window going up.
Oh, something's falling off the seat. Not a good time to get distracted by something falling off the seat, is it? Tyres, put it that way.
You could definitely feel on that uphill bit, that first bit. Oh, wow, don't remember this bit.
Do you not?
Not. I don't remember it being quite that dippy.
We were scraping the front end every single time during that last year.
I like our creek.
Do you remember last year it was really bad?
Yeah.
Like everything was creaking and carrying on. Wow. Oh good. Oh look, there's caravans. Holiday homes. And we go. I don't like this bit. I don't like this bit at all. Ow. I survived, didn't I?
Most of this we were crunching along.
Oh no, it was this bit. It was this bit, wasn't it? No, it was this bit. Yeah. No, that one bit we did crunch, but I thought there was an easy route and a hard route last year. It don't look like it this year.
No.
Oh, look at that, Scott.
That is so much better. I do remember.
Wait.
Dud. It's the amount that is slipping to the left and right.
It's because of how rutted it is.
Yeah.
But I don't feel like I need to be like going 20 mile an hour through there because I'm going to bottom out. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you stopped a bit prematurely that time.
Little bit, but not too much.
Nope.
And up.
Oh,
I did that time.
Yeah. That's what I thought you were going to do last time.
I didn't know how. Oh, the fishermen have gone. I was just trying to be a little bit respectful.
I know.
Are you ready? Do you remember how built this is?
Yeah. We've planed it off, can't you tell?
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, missed it.
And up. And down. That chimney, is that a chimney?
I think it is, yeah.
I don't know if it's the same one, but there's one going around. I bet that's taking it like a chow.
Yes. Thank you, my dear.
It's smearing like buggery just here.
Little bit.
I love how I think everybody's planed that.
Yep. I'll tell you what, the Sunday people are going to love it.
Yeah.
It's all freshly planed off, ready for them.
Off. Right. Ready?
Hey.
Ready.
Hey.
I bet this sounds worse from outside.
Yes.
Hey.
Hey. Oh yeah, the hidden dips.
Yep, ready? And jump.
Oh.
You do wait for the bang as you go into the tray, I must
A
admit.
little bit.
I'm sweating. From home, like, might be a bit bad, but even so.
Whole long distance travel.
Best part of 15 miles just off-road today.
Whee.
I feel like if you hit that too hard, your mirror's going into that tray. Don't you think?
Yeah. Ready?
It's the noise as you hit it.
I feel for the tow bar. There. And then everyone goes, oh. Yeah. You got this, Freelander. You got this.
Yeah.
You got this. Yes.
Like a jam.
So happy. I like the way there's like a bit of a traffic jam or something.
Yeah. Stinks. Nailed it. Yeah.
Bit interesting getting out.
I'm just gonna welly.
Yeah.
Ready?
It seems to work.
Ready?
For you, yeah.
Yes.
Nicely done.
Did it.
I love the way that your default thing for everything. I'm just gonna welly.
Well, the thing is, I think if you don't welly there, I'm not sure how you'll get out of it. Going round on my own now. This is kind of sad. Oh, it's going to be raunchy. Oh no, not too bad. Oh god. Oh. Ow. 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 Do you like the way when we come to water, I'm like, window.
Yeah. Do you think it's washing all the mud away from the first course?
I hope so.
I think I know why this is called Lakeside course. Ready? Donk.
Sploosh.
Sploshy splosh.
It's like then I get a good wave going.
You do.
I don't know how I do it. Wait, I forgot about that bit.
I love the way that one of your hands, I don't know what happened, but it seemed to slip off the steering wheel.
I just let it go with one hand temporarily.
To be fair, I wasn't expecting that either.
The worst thing is I was, because I remember it from last time, but I still forgot. Sorry, Freelander.
The worst part is I'm not going all for the car. I'm going all for me getting shook around.
The seatbelt's gonna go.
Oh.
You're gonna come out today with whiplash.
Whiplash, broken rib.
I am
You're
so
being
bad.
very antisocial.
Totes.
Ready? There you go. Oh!
It's that bit. Honestly, it's that bit. But the thing is, I do think that shackle's making it worse.
Yes, I feel for the shackle. I don't think we're ever undoing that.
I think that's stuck. The thing is, we need to get some guard off.
So there we have it. While it doesn't eliminate catching, it does go a long way to make it a lot less painful on the car. Hopefully you found this video of some use if you're looking to lift your Freelander 2. If you are looking to lift your Freelander 2, may I suggest a set of wheel spacers to also go alongside the lift kit that MuddyMods also sell. To see a before and after on that, check out the video that you'll see pop up at the end of this video. Other than that, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Feel free to check out some of our other videos and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers everyone.